This morning, Hendrick Health received its first batch of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines. Hendrick Health sent us an inside look at their medical professionals unpacking and storing those vaccines. Our Dan Booth has the story.
Healthcare workers at Hendrick Health are celebrating the arrival of their first batch of Pfizer COVID-19 vaccines. Hendrick Health Pharmacy Clinical Manager Dr. Greg Perry says this delivery is a great step in the right direction.
This is our best opportunity to date to end the shutdowns, end having to wear masks, to end the pandemic and the pain and suffering that goes with it.
Hendrick Health brought in a special freezer for this occasion because in order to preserve the vaccine, it must be stored at a temperature of 70 degrees below zero.
Whew, I can feel the freeze on my hands.
This initial batch of vaccines is specifically for healthcare workers. According to Hendrick Health, they will start vaccinating workers on Friday.
When it becomes available to the community and outside of hospitals and first-line healthcare workers, we encourage people to take it. It is your decision, but the data that we have to date, it is effective and it's safe.
Dr. Perry says this delivery is personal to him and to all the healthcare workers who have been putting their lives on the line to fight the pandemic daily.
This is a very, very great moment in medicine and in science and in research, and I embrace it. It's emotional.
This vaccine is essential for our community, for our families, for the success of what we need to accomplish over the next few months.
Dr. Perry and Dr. Wiley say widespread adoption of the vaccine will play a massive role in putting an end to the pandemic, and they're hopeful the vaccine will be available to the public during the first quarter of 2021.
We need 70% of our community to get that vaccine for us to develop herd immunity, for us to be able to blunt the effect of COVID and to return back to normal.
We're tired and we're running out of resources. So could this vaccine be our catalyst to ending the pandemic? We pray and we hope so. We feel confident it will.
For BigCountryHomepage.com, I'm Dan Booth.
Thank you, Dan. Remember, the vaccine is administered in 2 doses, with a second dose given just 3 weeks after the first.